Well, given the huge public interest around this case involving the former Deputy Senate President Ike Ekweremadu and his wife Beatrice, there were no surprises that Westminster Magistrates Court was absolutely full of individuals that had specifically flown in from Nigeria to show the senator some support. And of course, there are Nigerians within the British community that have a keen interest in the trial too. Two big outcomes from today's hearing. Just when the magistrate was to dismiss the court, the defence lawyers representing the Ekweremadus produced this piece of evidence that had been accepted by the prosecution, which is that this individual is not a minor. It appears as if the information that had been gathered by the senator's defence team in Nigeria had reached London in time for this hearing today, and it was accepted. But that doesn't mean that this case isn't indeed serious. Due to the huge public interest, the magistrate did ask the prosecution to go through the details. I won't go through them now because of course many of us will be aware of them, but this does involve organ harvesting and modern slavery. And now the case was adjourned until the 4th of August. This will now be heard at the Central Criminal Court, and both defendants were remanded into custody. I think one of the sticking issues from last week's appearance at Uxbridge Magistrates Court was jurisdiction, but that was cleared up pretty quickly. According to the prosecution, the Attorney General did not have to consent to whether or not this case could proceed in London, and it appears as if that is the case. So just to confirm, the former Deputy Senate President Ike Ekweremadu and his wife Beatrice have today in London been remanded into custody yet again, and they are due to appear in front of a judge at the Central Criminal Court on the 4th of August. Juliana Olayinka reporting for Channels TV News in London.